Hi, welcome or welcome back to Shreology. Here we are for the part 2 of Misho Hall, the huge one. I have ordered quite a lot, I must say. The prices are so good. So, yeah, stay tuned for the part 2, and we still have the star of the show. So, stay tuned for looking at it towards the end of the video. Let's get started. I have a pile of things, by the way. And to record the intro of this video, I pushed them thoda side because I was also taking a chota sa clip for the thumbnail before starting to record. So I had put them all together and then pushed them so that they don't come. Okay, I've also ordered some hanging plants, which are a set of three and have come with this little box to hold it. And then these are the hang-ons. Let me see. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay. This is very plasticky. Has a plastic smell. I mean, of course, if it is plastic, it will have. Okay, okay. इसमें you can put it in, and then this is thermocol. So I won't encourage you to keep doing बार बार डाल के फिर हटा के फिर store कर दिया and all of that. Just assemble it for once and then use it. But there's one thing that I realized abhi, since okay, this looks like this, you can also keep it like this or this way. It works both ways. So I got a set of three of these. Again, around 200 only. I don't think it was very expensive, and for the quality, I really appreciate. And the thing that I was saying is that you can also use it apne like once you've put it on and then it's been there for a while, and now you have to do dusting. So you can straight up, pull it off your shelf, put it under water. You can also add surf or अच्छे से धो के, and then you can dry it in the sun and then put it back on the shelf. So easy to maintain है. The kind of plastic this is. Also, it is a little thick material, so it will last you good, I guess, 10-12 washes. And who is washing them so often? So that's that. And then I have a lot. Should I might chop some part, though I don't feel like. I mean, when I edit it, I'll feel like मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा yap कर दिया, which was obviously not called for. But I might upload it. I might not. Okay, okay, okay. There's. I am an over consumer. ठीक है, over consume करूँगी, तो मुझे free में दो, मत दो. I'll buy it. I thought ये थोड़ा बड़ा है, but looks exactly the same. I might return one or I might keep both. I don't know. They are both okay. They are both ditto, बिल्कुल ditto. I think color थोड़ा सा फर्क है क्या? You say color different है क्या? I don't know. It is the same, dude. I'm just trying to convince myself कि थोड़ा अलग है, but just to keep it. But let's see what's gonna happen with that. But it's literally the same. Touch, feel, everything. But I think प्राइस का थोड़ा डिफरेंस था इसमें. दैट इज़ वाई आई थॉट कि वो साइज़ बड़ा है. बट ऑफ कोर्स डम्ब मी हु शुड हैव चेक्ड डायमेंशंस रादर देन प्राइस. बट या वी डू दैट क्वाइट ऑफन ना. अगर प्राइस ज़्यादा है तो मे बी प्रोडक्ट का साइज़ बड़ा हो, ये सोच करके ऑर्डर करना. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू ऑल. आई डू दैट प्रीटी ऑफन. डू टेल मी इन द कॉमेंट्स, डू यू ऑल डू दैट? मे बी वी कैन इंटरैक्ट दैट वे. I'd love to interact with the fellow girlies. This again, drawer organizer. There are 6 of these and जोर से खींचना पड़ेगा. I might take किसी का help for this, but you see it ऐसा है. And then यहाँ पे pull करने के लिए है, तो in case you're keeping it ऐसे open shelves में, you can literally pull it like a drawer. It can also function like a drawer, but I don't think that would work because obviously हम drawers बनवाते हैं with drawers ना, तो who does it anyways. It's good to store things and then open your drawer and then accessible. I've basically gotten this because मेरे drawer में makeup कचरे की तरह cluttered है, and then I have to find that one lip liner which I love using. उसको खोजने में मेरी मौत आ जाती है, तो that takes me बहुत सारा time. This one's a heavy one. Okay, come let's dive in. Okay. And don't come at me with that dig in होता है, dive in नहीं. You are putting your hands to find things. भाई बड़ा बॉक्स, मैं छोटी, मेरे लिए dive ही होता है. मैं dive करूँगी. And if it is more and more सामान, नया सामान, I love diving in that. Okay, this is again back to decorative वाला thingy. So let's take a moment for shopping. Okay. So again, some bowls, aesthetic looking. So इसका ना there हाँ yeah, so इसका एक copper color भी था. Okay, this is very nice, but अगर आपके घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं, I would honestly not encourage you because इसका ये edge ना थोड़ा pointy है. It might hurt your child if they do. हाँ, because इसमें आप पानी भर के रखोगे if you want to. Yeah, this is again like ये वाला ही. इसके I'll pop a picture once I assemble it. So it's easy for you to know because again there is a set. I said this is one size, this is second size. There are different sizes of it. This is the third size. Okay, this is big, huge. और फिर ये उसके नीचे के पाँव और फिर इसके साथ में वो जो छोटे वाला था उसके जैसा अलग अलग साइजेस में और है लाइक इतना छोटा. And then okay, so I basically got these because I'll be trying to decorate it more. Okay, so I'll also tell you where this comes from. I recently saw the video with Vogue or Sonam Kapoor, I think. I don't know. I think it was the same video. And I saw her Maximal house. So a lot of people will think that that doesn't goes with aesthetics and all of that. But I hope you won't mind this being kept pure video mein by my side now. I don't know about you minding it or not, but I might mind it at some point of time and I might push it. So yeah, I saw that Sonam Kapoor का Maximal वाला decor के साथ में घर and I went crazy. I was like, girl, that's something I'd love to have, but I can't. Okay, तो इसमें भी dear customer, thank you for shopping with us types cutesy card है, but this is like a proper card. Yeah, they also have a YouTube channel which is called Ashok Kumar Gupta hyphen G3E. But anyways, you are on Triology. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe the channel for more such videos, more such or any kind of videos. Since I'm a new creator, I'd love to hear from you all. And then, okay, I ordered this chudi box and I'm disappointed. Finally, one product that disappointed me, and I can go back at my brother and tell him, bro, Meesho fraud है. Either ways, तो इसके बीच में बैंगल बॉक्स था ये बेसिकली. इसके बीच में एक रॉड सा भी था कि यू कैन पुट योर बैंगल एंड देन डू दैट, पर वो मिसिंग है. आई होप बिफोर आई से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट उसमें निकले ना, पर वो नहीं है. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक अबाउट इट बिकॉज ये वाली आई पेड एक्स्ट्रा फॉर इट. दिस इज समवेयर 300 अराउंड इट फॉर 3 बॉक्सेस. बट अमेजोन पे आई हैव गॉटन ये वाले बॉक्स पहले भी for I guess 60 rupees per box because I ordered a lot of them for my mother to keep her bangles. But yeah, I did not quite like this one. Either ways, on to our next box, girlies. Okay, I have a very big thing also. अभी बचा के वो एकदम ऐसा बड़ा सा box है. So hold on, ऐसा नहीं कि skip कर दिया. Okay. I ordered 2 boxes, I think. I yapped a little early. वो चूड़ी वाला ये है, I think, because इसमें वो बीच में रॉड है. Shit यार, क्या ही होता रहता है मेरे साथ. Anyways, this one I like. You can pull it off and then keep your things, and then put it back in. Close the डब्बा, and voila, your bangles are safe. पर या सो ऑल्सो इसके भी 3 बॉक्सेस हैं विच आई बिलीव इज क्वाइट सफिशिएंट फॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ चूड़ीज आई हैव एज ऑफ नाउ. आई बेरली वेयर देम बट आई लव बाइंग देम. जाने यारे मान मेरा नाइस. सो इट इज. ओ आई ऑल्सो हैव किसी चीज़ में गिफ्ट वाउचर. What is it? Cashback 100%. पेटीएम आसान 3 तरीके जीतने के कैशबैक. हम हर घंटे में भारत What? हम हर घंटे में 7 लकी विनर्स. I'm sorry, it was not भारत. Okay. I feel ashamed. I might crop this part, but okay. Why did I do that? यार धीरे पढ़ लेती. Anyways, girls, this is the big. Oh, let me show you. This is the big box. I might just crop that part or I might just let that be. But guess what that is? Okay. Guess. ऑल्सो गैस कितने का मिला मेरे को, इसका प्राइस मेरे को याद है, मेरे को लिटरली याद है. तो ये प्लांटर्स हैं बेसिकली विच आर लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज अगेन अ पैक ऑफ 3. आई ऑल्सो फाउंड इसका ना पैक ऑफ 5. आई वॉज लाइक अरे भाई, और सेम प्राइस पे जितने में वो पैक ऑफ 3 मिला है. मैंने कार्ट में ऐड किया बट आई हैड टू ओवर थिंक बिफोर आई प्लेस एन ऑर्डर विच आई वॉज डूइंग ऑब्वियसली. सो वाइल आई वॉज डूइंग दैट वो प्रोडक्ट ही आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया. तो वी हैड टू गेट पैक ऑफ 3 वाले में यू गेट मल्टीपल ऑप्शन. तो या मतलब मल्टीपल प्राइसेस और फिर बहुत सारा स्टॉक भी होता है. आई थिंक वो मेरे को पता नहीं कैसे वो डील दिख गया था बट yes it existed. Am I taking too much time to unpack it? Should I rather just upload ऐसे छोटा सा एक cutesy सा वीडियो या फिर you need a tutorial for unboxing it, मतलब assembling it also as if you all don't know it, me trying to act know it all. But yeah, I've pulled the biggest one. So this thing इसके साथ which will go on top of it. But yeah, guess the price. Comment it. Encourage करो यार. अरे इसमें तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे से वो भी है, इसके पाँव. ओके, देयर वी हैव इट. ये ऐसे जाएगा. ओके, ये सबसे बड़ा वाला है तो इसका सबसे बड़ा वाला वो बॉक्स. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट डू दैट. सो इट फिट्स एकदम प्रॉपर्ली ऐसे. या दैट इज हाउ इट इज. या तो and then you attach these legs to it. I guess you can see that नीचे ताकि doesn't scratch your tile. That is what I think, for grip basically या फिर जो भी. But yeah, and I got it for 1200 only. 1100 something था basically. So yeah, that's that. Let me put my stuff out of the frame now. Also, I'm going to use these for making मेरे videos का background aesthetic in future. So, that's it. What I ordered. There's quite a lot. There's a huge mess in here. I'll have to clear that, which is why we're gonna see you some other time in next video. Also, in case this video reaches you, in case you come towards the end of it, I would really love if you would comment, if you would subscribe, if you would like the video, and also with a random question ka answer which I asked throughout the video. I mean, obviously, just to engage. You can also tell me suggestions of what kind of videos would you want to see more often. I can try that genre, and we'll see you with those suggestions soon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon, girlies, or whatever. Bye.